Effective, failure-free and safe. These adjectives from 20 years make the ROTOCAST one of the most chosen induction casting machines in the world. Welcome to the presentation of its capabilities. The advantage of casting machine ROTOCAST are the systems of power optimization and automatic balancing. Thanks to that, the casting process is simplified. Even people without the experience will be able to use the machine and will obtain precise castings every time. Generator of ROTOCAST is using the latest generation semiconductor HF chip. This small chip has a power of 21st century technology. With a power of only 2,500 watts, it can even melt 100 grams of chromium cobalt steel in a few seconds. What matters is that the ROTOCAST consumes the electricity below 10 amps. Therefore, for its power supply, we don't need special strengthened installation. All you have to do is to connect it to the standard domestic electrical network. ROKO generator has been equipped with a special control system called IPCS, which actively adjusts the power of the induction field to melt the metal as quickly as possible. Time is important. Ring is cooling, so the faster the metal melts and pours into hot and not cold ring, the better it will fill the mold. The generator is additionally secured by electronic control system, which analyzes the information of the sensors, detects the threats of the accidents, and automatically turns it off, protecting it from destruction. ROTOCAST is equipped with energy stabilization system. The efficiency of induction casting machines depends directly on the quality of supplied electricity, which may be unstable in some countries or cities. The stabilizer increases the resistance of the device to low-quality current disturbances, which minimizes the risk of failure and service costs. The greatest advantage of the ROTOCAST induction casting machine is its high efficiency. 20 years of experience and tests made at ROKO is the results of obtaining the perfect parameters of the casting machine. The longer the centrifugal arm and the more revolutions, the greater the centrifugal force and thus the casting efficiency. ROTOCAST has one of the longest arms and the number of revolutions is 20% higher than in other casting machines. The arm with a length of over 50 centimeters in combination with 600 revolutions per minute and reinforced motor make the centrifugal force so high that even the complex and finest details are reproduced with the greatest precision. And the molten metal is poured into the mold in incredible time, less than 1 second from the start of the spinning process. ROTOCAST is universal. It allows casting of steel and alloys of gold and other precious materials. In the ROTOCAST casting machine, many solutions were applied to increase the ergonomics of work. In casting machines with a movable counterweight, it happens that the technician forgets or improperly adjusts the counterweight to the size of the ring, which may result in failed casting, ring destruction, and even machine failure. In addition, adjusting the counterweight with each ring change could be a pain. Therefore, the ROTOCAST casting machine uses the proprietary system of replaceable baskets, which eliminates the problem of errors and improper balancing in 100%. Now changing the ring and making another cast is quick and easy. In some casting machines, the cover is blocked from the start of melting, which makes the user to put in the hot ring inside even before the start of melting process, which makes that it's already cooling during the melting process of the material. As we know, the cooler the ring, the higher the risk of unsuccessful casting. In casting machine ROTOCAST, during the warming up of the material, the cover is not locked and the user has a possibility of placing the ring even in the last phase of melting. This allows the casting the metal into maximally warmed up mold and allows to receive even better casting. Metal from the cracked crucible or chips of melted alloys in the crucible can get between the spiral and cause a short circuit and failure of the generator. In the ROTOCAST casting machine, a special quartz cover protects the spiral from the damage and the user from expensive service. Handling the hot ring often requires the heat of protective gloves. Therefore, the ROTOCAST casting machine uses the ergonomic large buttons that allow the operation in protective gloves. Compact size and low weight allow to build the ROTOCAST in the standard housing with a depth of 60 centimeters. Now a few words about the important and often overlooked thing, the work safety. Some induction casting machines may emit electromagnetic radiation, which is harmful to health. Research carried out by experts from University of Technology has shown that the generator of ROTOCAST does not emit harmful radiation, and the level of electromagnetic wave emission is a similar level of wave emission in a mobile phone. ROTOCAST guarantees complete safety for the user. Protection against the effects of ring breakage or metal spillage is provided by large hardened steel cover. The gap between the covers is additionally blocked. Anti-forcing bolt locks the cover in the event of impact from the inside and disconnects the power supply after opening it. The electromagnetic lock prevents the lid from being opened during spinning process. The spiral lifting mechanism is blocked while the arm is spinning, which protects it from the accidental damage. The safety switch blocks the uncontrolled start in the event of power failure and reappearance and completely cuts off the power supply in emergency mode. Finally, a few words about the service. ROTOCAST does not require ongoing maintenance and all active components have increased durability. So choosing ROTOCAST, you can enjoy a guarantee with no limit of working hours. The modular design reduces the time needed to remove a failure and enables repair by unqualified personnel. The ROTOCAST casting machine is characterized by its high versatility. It enables effective casting of skeletal dentures, large steel bridges, and goldsmithing works. It has been working in the toughest conditions in various parts of the world for over 20 years, and you can be absolutely sure about its reliability and durability. For more information, visit rokodent.com. Feel free to contact the ROKO representative in your country. Thank you for your time.